Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, October the 26th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page six extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 star Sudoku, 4 star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku. We have two binaries, one with 4 stars, one with 3 stars, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Six extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why not all? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved one puzzle, the medium Sudoku. Tomorrow we have the puzzle, the additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve. And in the evening, the Samurai Sudoku. So there's a lot of puzzles for this weekend. But the first one I will do is the 4-star Sudoku number 9484. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25. Well. Usually the 4-star Sudoku has 24. This one has 25. One digit more. Should be at 3 stars. 3 stars puzzles. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Question is it a 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 3 in this column? 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 here. Alright, then. 7. Need 7 there. Need a 4 here. How about need a 9 here? 9 in this column. Last column. 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for 6 should be here. 2. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Then let me see. 4. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 here. How about 6. Need a 2 here. 2 there, yeah. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the last row, so the row between the only place level 9 should be there. 3, 4, 8. Okay. And now we have a pair, the 5 and 8 in this column, the 5 and 8 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only two places left, the 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So I need a 1, need a 2, need a 3, 1, 2, 3, okay. 1, 2, 3. Well, need a 5 here, 4 here. 3, need a 3 there, okay. In the middle column, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me mark those. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 5, need a 6, need a 7, 6, 7, 9. Well, 3, 1, 2, okay. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 2 should be there. 7, 9, and 6, need a 6 here. Well. Need a 9 here. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 6 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 3 should be there. 3, 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place level the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this column. The second column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Alright. Okay. Then let me see. Eight, 7, 6, 8. Okay. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row and only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1, 2, 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this row, so no 3, 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there, so 1 is left. Should be the 1. Then need an 8 here. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 2. We have a 2 now in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 in this column. 5 in the last column. So the column 3 now need to place 11. 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then let me see. Well. 179. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 179. 179, 179, 179. And look, we have a 1 and a 9 in the third row, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left now in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Then let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. So the only place left with an 8 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 8 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 13 minutes. Wow, cannot believe this. For 4 stars puzzle. Wow. Should be at 0 stars because I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Yeah, we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.